Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, who's developed techniques using pressure points. In case you missed the previous episode on useful techniques to escape an arm or hip lock, it might be a good idea to watch it now.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master of Muay Thai Academy with a new technique for you to learn today. Along with me, I have my student Ganesh and Smita to help you with a small demonstration as well. Now, in this technique, have you heard the word bells of heaven ringing? And maybe some people have experienced it. You will witness that now. Ready, Ganesh? Come into the position now, take the hold. All right, against a collar jab, which is very common in the street fighting. The first thing they do is hold the collar. They come for a slap, or they come for a headbutt or something, whatever it is. The first thing they want to do is grip the collar so you don't run away, so they can have control over you physically and mentally as well. In this situation, once the grab has happened, your palm, open palm, goes on the eardrum. Bang against the eardrum, boom, right? When this hit happens, this is what I meant to say, the bells ringing in the heaven. If anybody has experienced it, they would have a good idea what I'm talking about, all right? But when you're practicing with your friends or with your family, please be very careful. Don't use more pressure. This can cause a very bad imbalance, right? The moment this attack goes in, this person actually can be very imbalanced, and then the thumb goes into the area below the cheekbone and the joint where the upper and the lower jaw meets. This is to make him immobilize. Again, go for the groin, and you can finish with the neat uppercut elbow. This is a very beautiful technique, but the learning here is 1, 2. This is the main learning. If you could do this, 90% of the attack is neutralized. The rest is different kind of attacks you can do to satisfy your ego. All right, let me now ask Ganesh and Smita demonstrate this, okay? And she's doing it for the very first time. Just watch it. Ready, guys? Collar jab, right? Ring, thumb, and knee, and elbow. Good. She did maintain a safe distance because she's a layman. She's not trained. So when she did the elbow, she very carefully kept in mind the safety of her costa, and she did a very neat elbow. But that is the uppercut elbow. And if it is connected, you can just imagine what will happen to the jawline. Geographically, it can be changed. Just funny, okay? So please do like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.